You may have that long hair and have that beard, but you still smell like chorizo to me, Holmes.
Aquí tenemos a Apache de la película Sangre por Sangre.
Somos pocos pero locos, homie.
Órale. Tenemos al que hizo el personaje de Joker. Aquí está en el 30 aniversario también, raza. Unas palabras para los fans.
¿Cómo está mi gente? Porque no, todo el mundo no está aquí. Ven, ojalá que todo el mundo venga. Pero, don't put him out, please.
There were quite a few real actors, but we also used inmates as...
But from the polar bears.
Oh yeah, just me and Tom Tolles.
Yeah. He had made up the whole thing to get some extra dough.
I don't know about that.
Fair enough.
To me, and I thought, why aren't they talking to me? You know why? They thought I was really a cop. Wow. They thought I was a cop on the movie, trying to get. I'm like, dude, I'm an actor, acting like a cop.
Yeah.
Cop, so, wow, thanks, bro.
Thank you so much.
La cocaína es la taza de café de los americanos.
Check out the new view, homies. I'ma build myself a righteous pad here. Swimming pool, white picket fence and shit. Hey, Joker, you gotta find Mamacita hoes. Mwah! Save me some.
El respeto es todo, güerito. ¿Estás listo para morir por ello?
Vatos locos forever.
Hey, toda la gente, sangre por sangre. La onda no shine shoe.
Pues qué chinga trae? Why the fuck you let these putos disrespect you like that for, eh?
Mira, sácate antes que te hago mi puta.
Oye, Raúl, tengo que pedirte algo. Dame esos chonchón. Órale.
¿Es que me ves cara de pendejo? ¿Qué chingados? Ah, mira que va a pintar tu ruca acá, todo bien chido acá. Choquete, me prometiste, cabrón. Préstame las de la rayo. Ah, don't be an Indian gear, cabrón. Ya te va.
We come out chased by hounds, wearing a pinche rabbit's foot for nothing, one step ahead of the hounds. But we've got something better than a